Hey everyone, welcome to another plan with me. Today I will be doing my PP Weeks B6 weekly format for the week of Easter. I had this 2-page kit in my stash. I bought it forever ago, so I don't know if it's still in the shop's inventory anymore, but the shop's name is BizzyBeePlanners. So if you're interested, I'll go ahead and see if this kit is still available in the shop. If so, I'll leave a link down below. If not, I'll leave a link to the shop anyways. If you do like this style of sticker, then you can go and check it out. All right, so I wanted to make something pretty simple. When I use this planner, I need to have a lot of space to write. So I don't typically like to use larger deco boxes like this. However, I decided whatever, it's Easter week, I probably am not going to be as busy, hopefully. And if so, then I can just use my other planner or my wall calendar and put other to-do list, or just get out a sheet of paper and write stuff down on that if I need to. But these checklists are pretty big. I usually only do 3 per day, but these have 6, so I can actually write more. And even though you put something to do on a specific day, if you don't finish it, you can always continue with your week and then go back and finish it, and you don't have to rewrite it. But I'm just kind of using as many stickers as I can. I am not able to use all of the stickers, but I did want to use all of the decorations. The kit did not come with date covers. It may have, I don't remember. I may have gotten other sheets with this kit, but I bought it probably Black Friday of 2019. So it's possible that it did have, or does have, if they still have this kit, it does have date covers, but I just used the little the Kiss Cut stickers, my apologies. I used the Kiss Cut stickers as a little faux date cover, and then just wrote the days of the week as well. And I'm just using my Paper Mate pink colored pen or marker. I don't know, is it a pen or is it a marker? I always hear both, but I'm just gonna say marker here, I guess. I combine Saturday and Sunday. Typically Saturday and Sunday are split up, but I decided just to do them both together. And then I'm going to add these to-do scripts or the headers on top of all of the checklists. So that's pretty much it for the spread. It's pretty simple. It's, nothing too special, but I did like the way that it turned out, and it definitely does give me that springtime vibe, especially with the pinks and the flowers. And yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put down the rest of those little stickers down here, just because whenever I get a kit that has stickers like this, not functional but decorative, I try to use those as much as possible, just because I make my own stickers and I can make functional stickers anytime I want, but these decorative ones, I really enjoy using those. So I just kind of place them all over. Alright, so we're getting near the end of the spread, and I'm pretty happy with the way it turned out. Although I was unable to use all of the stickers, I might keep the rest either to use, I don't know when I'll use them, but that's pretty much it. Oh, I did forget to write the numbers of each day. So using my black marker or pen, felt tip, whatever you want to call it, I just wrote that in there. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this video. It was really fun to make, and I like the way it turned out. So yeah, so thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Alright, bye!